This is a 2021 Corvette C8 convertible. We'll take it for a ride, see what we think. Let's go. So this car has a 6.2 liter engine with an 8-speed dual clutch transmission. So it's pretty cool and smooth. Sounds good too. The color of the exterior of this car is shadow gray metallic with adrenaline red interior. This car has 495 horsepower and 470 foot-pounds of torque. So I don't know how many people know this, but this car right now is limited in power until it hits about 500 miles on it. Then you get the full power. The red line actually jumps up to, I don't know if it's like 7,000 or whatever it is, or 6,500. But in my other car, I was trying to film it in my other Corvette, and at 500 miles it's supposed to change. So I kept filming, and it did nothing happened. So I gotta, you know, whatever. I stopped filming it. I'm driving it at 512 miles. The red line went whoop, and disappeared. So I was like, oh, I missed it. So whatever. So you can actually take the top down while you're moving. So let's try and see what happens. The windows are going down. Top's going up. Look at us, we're ponies. Not yet though, you gotta keep holding the button. Top not secure. Now I think we're secure. It's complete. We're all complete. Should we put it back up too? Let's see what happens here. While we're moving, it's pretty cool, huh? Top not secure. Folding top complete. Wow! Look at us, we're ponies. I'm a pony. If I could, I would change the color of this car because I don't love gray. Gray to me is like so blah. So anyway, I called up a friend of mine at Dimmitt, and they have a yellow one there. So maybe we'll just go there and buy the yellow one. So you thought I was kidding, right? I found a yellow Corvette here at Dimmitt, and let's go inside and buy it. Why not?
Straight everywhere there's blue. Those are all initials.
Oh.
Saying there are no additional liens on the vehicle. Okay, all point.
Told you I wanted a different color. What do you think? Yellow looks cool, huh? I never seen one in yellow actually, with the black carbon stripes. It's got black interior, yellow stitching. Let's go for a ride. Let's go. Yellow car on the outside, black on the inside, yellow stitching, very contrasty, very pleasing to the eyes. You got the yellow here instead of the red. The one I have at home with gray with the red interior is really nice, don't get me wrong, but I'd like this to have red interior if it could. Red with the yellow stitch would be nuts to me. I'm colorblind, so maybe that'd be nuts to anyone, but I would like to see that red with yellow stitching, but this car's beautiful. So I literally just got a phone call from a friend of mine in the dealership in Georgia that has an allocation for a Corvette. So I just now on the ride built an orange Corvette with black and that baby blue interior with orange seat belts loaded. And he said it'll be here in 8 to 10 weeks. So we get another one. What fun. So I started this morning in the gray one. Now I'm driving the yellow one, and I'll have an orange one soon. Wow. Gray, yellow, orange. Yeah. You know what I'm gonna have to do? I have to go get a red one. This way I can start singing Little Red Corvette. Woo, woo. So here we are back home. Yellow Corvette, gray Corvette. Like them both. Like the yellow colored one better, like the black rims. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this. Please stay tuned for my next adventure. I'll see you soon.